The OSP. Yes, that's what happened. He was, I think, yeah, Father Juma, he was employed right after 2008 elections. Maybe 2007, but I know correct. And I don't just speak to it. Me take it time, pa, because I read a lot. It's about 208. No, I hear Juma no. Abe director, abe dimuanti. Your time na. Nipa no hono. Echo retirement. And I don't have to appoint Obi to go there. I don't know. I'm stating it again. Say, I don't know who lobbied for him to be the head, whatever. And now the man so since I watch now watching the emfanya day. Yemfama no nye adwuma no because on na ye adwuma na understood. But the question is, oye adwuma no, Mr. we need mu. Sika omode ba abonten say o de my NDC fo no obi a meka say enya no kore. Right. Not even the lawyer Atta. Me pacho what you say. So if we are in power, me and I never did a single contract for 8 good years. But with my national position, yet me bo party for my nipa be break me down. And call a good traffic, mu ye adwuma ye boa mo. Now what we keep a position? You can carry 58 million. A little over 58 million, the amount of opponents some fan running elections. And now you go to court. Do you know the number of empenimphobia me person me mudin ma ba me fie e bia chese during the tour na ya be share with hotels discussing it with myself and Ellen how we can mobilize people and then blah 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 the academic. You get my point? Yeah. Then I'll ask you a simple question. Say, now you want me to gather people, say Chobo ye, when he goes to court, release Adu Boahene, release Adu Boahene. People watch you. Benefit by now we as a party, particularly with the comms directory, when we have having resource issues, we had serious finance issues when we were in power. What do I tell them? And to be friendly, them say you didn't call court and then on any lawyer and pay and true we read videos and was on any lawyer and pay akwana kasa ni tifi architect no na mo no kofie on any yere what you say one to data mamoda adwuma mu ye obi am fraud da so we adwuma nobody looked for obi a now you have your issue na do na kasa the appointment ma mo na kasa o ma mo adwuma. It's when it is time for accountability. Gather your document, go and account for it. Why I have a problem with this government is the Rambo style, how Jaka will say Jaka, your friend Akwani me huni di, but the Jaka will say Jakum. Jaka. Omu ready me nimdine bopa na pena mpesimebo. That's why we have a problem. That's all. Wow. And the question is, should the table turn and now say power necessary? Is the same thing going to be melted at them? Will we let them go scot-free? Will people plead on their behalf? I'm not making a statement to because and you know, so one when you there be a come me so na do mama appointment. Oh, can you be uncommoded by me kremu and yasam ketwa? Because there are a lot of niyama ya kan krom ha. Genuinely we knew what we were talking about. It is obi no yam an appointment one kai say a political party even so nyam pipi ni krati you. A different party na what power. Your opponent na what power and one more appointment. Can just even sympathize and empathize with the party. Say bia oh, ya mami post way mo president ya mami post way. E die na mu hia na me fan support mo. Me ba matter the American say. Yes. You didn't do that. If an individual went to him, that one I don't know. I can't speak to that. But we as a party, dear, me say I've been at the headquarters for so many years, plus my appointment 8 years, 7 years in here. It be no because so 7 when you're there. You can't crowd we there because you are part of the executives. One day no. It is a party for about to boy akoda ho ya chi obi okodam 10 days. Ya chi a national organizer enra ya man self-recognized bail said then. Ya man be enra. Yen crop for invite say order from above see and chi omo asama NC ya babo reporter deputy national organizer kwako save guy no afi reporter na 10 against him aman some near tantan time as if they will be in power for 300 years. You get it? And man so disheartening on but mean how people see it. And when you speak to core NDC for Libya, they are not happy about it. Yeah. They are not happy about it. Excuse me, 1 or 2 will be happy with be a summer meba. But the beer crown as someone American, it is what it is. I have to say it. If be another, there should be a correction somewhere. I will say, you'll be happy with it. The same thing is going on. It is so now could be not come and catch us. Yeah, what power and cry. Time a double salary no also. We pleaded with them. We pleaded with the president. Say you should let it go. Now, more. And then Parliament and I am monarchy. Baby, what's in the kingdom?
Yeah.
All my 10 commandments, all man some ransom do of Parliament. Our second coming as the new patriotic party, new government, about there. Mr. Momon Samin, Sunyami on Queen, Mubiata. We will leave. We will stay strong and we will stay strong and healthy. Ye real power now. Adia will be a shibia. It's a promise that I've given a lot of people. Just call me. Your power, me man call be the man call be office. Me I won't come. Go ni pana yama opposition. Be grandpa me my year juma years a chain. I just send you the list. Say me juma man kwalawe. Ubenya momo. Jenny juma ni ho. Mr. Minya way from finance ti minya me sati amefro the that been year juma no bon so be start us Jenny list na dem metimi afa mu 5 ma me time yes afa obu ho yes snobbish nipa na nka hwenkyerɛw o nka hwenkyerɛ me a wo beteme nka wo telephone so nyɛ sa me kwakɔtia wo TV so me wonkyia bi ye wo power no me chia wo wie na e fo dubli o sancha me come good mo now go to a point me tell TV so you see the minister sending me message Jenny please don't greet me I beg you. Or power to send because me chill we are chief of staff be frel. We did a lot to help party for even as that any appointment with party position. We were able to take care of party for. We were able to take care of party for ye niama ye betimi dia there e dia boom. Ye ba ye say NDC for mo nya ya tamfo. I have lots of friends. Scholarship craba guy or that scholarship secretariat say Kwakwasa foje. Nana nima pimpina guspa say kwa na nima baba na no ba TV wa 3 pieces. I am bread we go no bonam say. No correct.
Na ba ya ba power.
Wasa for je me fra na wonfa. Wa ba mo power dey na na e ko mo DC is up chow say mo man is come to an rent. And now about 3 pieces me fra na kra wonfa. Na say na me scholarship na bia ka 10% ko sorte me party for na out ma bi o fi me kra say bi. So such people. Yes. Such people, when you also have your opportunity, I almost be timid. So me person me party for I do what will make them happy first. And son, I met Danny baby. I'm a Danny Mania de Ashe. As someone making, you can bypass me. Call anybody who knows Jennifer Queen in the party. They will tell you, I am one no nonsense person. So wono ya kodem wura ma ye adwuma ya da bushes ya dem wura ya ba ya na na do mo appointment me anya bi me padwuma ma party ni. Now we call it the bluff of me. Oh, cell phone no ya ringe over dial number ya ringe anamboa. What hello phone so. Me France wo amfa. E ye dey am ankasa TV so no na make kasa TV so. Na wa wo do nchia we ni for good ni sebra. Share there were these guys me body ni sese am no mo giare. Ya ye party abrochire for the resources abam ye dey adwuma ya we ni 2016. Omo kra omo ni am ba akwa be delay omo so be